Hi, today I'm Friday with me MOTOROLA Moto E13 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. Let's just turn off the HardReset option. Now let's open the Play Store once again, and in the search bar we should enter name of the application Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK in the left hand corner, and now we can see here information about our battery temperature. That's 25.5 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.